Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRI250, man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, it's black as motherfucking night outside. Cutlass is on go. Just came back from Cortez's, man. Dropped him off his transmission jack, man. Shout out to him for him letting me use that. I'm definitely have to get one of them for myself. I was gonna like make a running driving video of riding with the stall and shit, but because I'm still fucking with the tune, trying to get it dialed in, etc., etc. Then I'm gonna just give you my first reactions.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
All right, so we back. Had to grab that thing at Budweiser. Yeah, man. So like I said, I just left from Cortez is taking him his transmission jack back and going to get some gas in the Cutlass. It was damn near on E last time we was out testing and tuning and shit. I started trying to, I ain't really tried, but I pretty much got my VE table dialed in, and now I'm trying to get it to where, my I gotta start tuning the math and all that shit. So it is it wasn't doing right at first. I just put the VE tune back on there, turn the master flow back off. Eventually I'll get it dialed in. I didn't want to fool with it today because one, I was low on gas. Two, I was trying to take my transmission jack back, etc., etc. So tomorrow I might fool with it and see what we got going on. But yeah, man, let me tell you, man, this 31 to 3500 stall, man. I don't know if I really believe people when they said it would make a difference. I mean, bro, it make a hell of a fucking difference. Positively, like when you nail it, like it's when you nail it. Like that big got down and sideways. If you don't believe me, ask goddamn me, Cortez. I was in his fucking neighborhood when it did. I looked back in a little mirror on the side and it was still fucking smoke. Like if there was smell-o-vision, bro, you could smell the fucking tire. You can see how it's worn on that side a little bit. And if I take you over here to this side, it's like still got the dust and shit on it. That's because the other side was the side that was spinning, and that motherfucker was caught clean. So yeah, there's definitely a difference with the stall converter in there as far as moving it, revving it into the power band. It is something that kind of takes some getting used to driving, because you're always used to when you first get on it or whatever, like the car starts moving. So with this, it seems like you're kind of revving it. It's almost like you have to rev it even more for it to just go. It will move before you hit like that stall range or whatever, but when it gets like when you nail it, yeah, it's crazy. I can't wait to put the fucking posi and the fucking gears in this bitch. Like I know that bitch gonna really do the fucking food in. But I mean, it really kind of act like a whole different car, even though it's not fully dialed in, tuned all the way. I don't know if I would want to daily drive this motherfucker with this stall in here. Maybe after I get it all dialed in, it may be a little bit better. But I mean, as of right now, man, I don't know. That's like a lot of power to have at your disposal. I mean, it's ready for street shit. It's definitely ready for street shit. I mean, you definitely want to put the posse on that bitch so it'll grip. And you definitely, I mean, the 373 wouldn't hurt neither. But without a shadow of a doubt, I know that bitch will leave 11s in the street. I'm gonna go to Cortez's neighborhood in the morning, and cause I gotta take him his block with the transmission. I took the transmission jack, forgot the block. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take him the block tomorrow, and I'll bring y'all that footage of the 11 that I left in the fucking, or not the 11, but the one that I left in the fucking street, cause I know it's there. Cause that bitch was spinning like, I think I was watching Swap's interview the other day with Matt Happel, and he was saying like, you know, how people don't get out of it until it's like too late and shit, because they don't realize they spinning. Yeah, I think I kind of felt that. I think I definitely kind of felt that. Also, I guess just being able to put it in low. Now that the transmission is properly adjusted, being able to go from 1, or taking it all the way, putting it down into 1, bumping it up to 2. You know what I'm saying? Then it's kind of low key like a badass street car. I think we're gonna name this bitch Badass Sunset, cause goddamn. Yes, sir. I'll be getting y'all some footage eventually. I need to get everything dialed in and shit. Right now, it really, like I said, I still got to tune the math and some other stuff, and once I get that done, then get the idle tune, then we can make some videos. But yeah, man, Badass Sunset, nigga. That's the new name. That is the new fucking name. Badass Sunset. It's not just sunset, nigga. It's a badass sunset. Bass, nigga. Bass. So, y'all just make sure y'all keep the notifications on. I'm gonna be bringing y'all more footage of this. I really need to go ahead and get back focused on this. So I can have this shit done by Whitfest. This is just my cruiser. That ain't the power getter, nigga. This is it. If Michael Jackson said this is it, nigga, this is it. This is what he was talking about when he said this is it. And like I said, I still haven't even done the gears or the posse. So I know it's only gonna run harder. So that's crazy. That's crazy. Anyway, man, till next time, it's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.